Alright, if you've ever wondered how to wire up a distribution board for a three-phase installation at home, you're in the right place. I've spent 20 years as an electrician, and today I'm breaking it down step by step. Remember, safety comes first. Always shut off your main power supply and double-check with a tester before you even open your board. Let's get right to it. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Three-phase distribution board, incoming cables, main incoming circuit breaker, individual circuit breakers, neutral bar, earth bar, insulated screwdriver wire strippers, voltage tester. Start by mounting your distribution board securely on the wall. Make sure it's level and fastened to a strong backing. Next, bring in your three-phase supply cables. Feed cables, L1, L2, L3 neutral earth. Strip the insulation back just enough to make solid connections, but not so much that any bare wire is exposed unnecessarily. Now, feed the cables into the main incomer at the top of the board, usually a three-phase circuit breaker or an isolator. Connect L1, connect L2, connect L3. Tighten them up securely, but don't overdo it. Connect the neutral to the neutral bar. Connect the earth to the earth bar. Always give each connection a quick tug to make sure it's locked in. From here, you'll install your outgoing circuit breakers, lighting sockets appliances. Link each breaker to its phase, depending on your load balancing plan. Typically, you want to spread your circuits across all three phases to keep everything even and avoid overloading any one phase. Run your outgoing wires from each breaker to their respective circuits in the house. Lives to top of each breaker, neutrals to the neutral bar, earths to the earth bar. Double-check every connection. Mistakes here can cause serious problems later. Once everything's connected, do a final check. Make sure all terminals are tight, no copper is exposed, and the board is neat and tidy. Use your tester to confirm there's no voltage before closing the cover. When you're ready, turn the main power back on and test each circuit. If you've done everything right, you'll have a safe, balanced, and organized three-phase distribution board ready to power your home. Remember, if you're ever unsure, always call a licensed pro. Better to be safe than sorry. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Quick recap. Incoming L1, L2, L3, neutral and earth, secure and labeled. Tighten to spec and tug test every termination. Install breakers, spread loads across phases, and label everything clearly. Test each circuit for voltage and continuity. Confirm the load is balanced across the three phases. A tidy board is a safe board. If you're not confident, call a licensed electrician to do the job for you. Use the right tools and PPE for every step. Proper terminations, correct torque, and clear labeling keep everything safe and serviceable. After power up, recheck voltages and verify each breaker feeds its intended circuit. Record readings and compare to your load schedule. With everything tested and documented, the panel is ready for safe use. Remember, safety first, and when in doubt, call a pro. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Like, subscribe, and check the description for resources and a printable checklist.